Hi, I'm Paul Isaacs and I'm very proud to be able to tell you of our collaboration with CEDAR to bring their world-renowned noise suppression technology to our 8 series recorder mixers. This is a great tool for reducing noise in noisy environments whilst keeping dialogue crisp and clean, and is ideal for live and fast turnaround productions. The CEDAR sdnx algorithm has been optimized for use in the 8 series and comes in 2, 4 and 8 instance versions of the algorithm. Any of these instances can be applied to channels or buses or a combination thereof. The algorithm will operate all the way up to 96 kHz and it has a sub-half millisecond latency. Now, if you want to try before you buy, you can, because in version 7.40 firmware, we've included a demo mode. So please go ahead. Let me show you how to install and apply the CEDAR sdnx plugin. First, you must go to the menu, System menu, Plugins, and then select Apply Plugins. Then the system will reboot. Now that I've shown you how to install the plugin, let's actually look how to set this up. So first you press the menu and scroll to your noise suppression menu, and in here you can enable noise suppression. And you can see here how I have CEDAR sdnx selected. Let's first see how this works on a channel. So I'm going to apply the algorithm to channel 1 in this case. Now I'm going to my channel 1 setup screen. And here at the top you can see the channel 1 signal meter and then a little diamond moving up and down, which indicates the amount of CEDAR sdnx noise suppression is being applied. To adjust the amount of attenuation of noise, you come to your NX field, and you can adjust this anywhere from 0, that's no suppression being applied, all the way down to -20 in 1 dB steps. Now typically you'd apply around, a good starting point is like 6 dBs and adjust it from there to get the optimal effect you're looking for. Now the CEDAR sdnx algorithm can also be applied to a bus. Let's look how to do that. So just for now, I'm going to disable it on channel 1, although I could leave it enabled because you can have any combination of the algorithm applied to channels and buses. So let's apply it to the left bus here. I'm now going to go to my bus menu and select bus L. And in here on the star 2 toggle, you can see the noise suppression setting. And again, I can adjust that anywhere from 0, which is no suppression, all the way down to -20 in 1 dB steps. And again, notice we have a little metering diamond here to show you the amount of suppression. If you'd like to learn more about this algorithm or if you'd like to purchase, please visit the Sound Devices web store. Thank you.